Good evening. Welcome back to Be Rich. A very interesting IPO is on the cards and is trying to raise about 2000 crore rupees. I am talking about a business to consumer company, B2C, where this electronics company is directly selling to the consumer. This has become very popular. This sells electronic gadgets which and peripherals which you use at home, like headphones, mic, etc. I am talking of a company called Boat. Primarily, this company imports from China, assembles it here, brands it as Boat, and sells it. The quality of this products is pretty high when compared to the price you pay. Normally, these such companies do not grow very fast, but this company in the last 3 4 years has grown very rapidly. In last financial year, during the pandemic, the company reported a sale of 1,500 crores and a net profit of 78 crores. That means this company is making less than 5% of its net profit. But this is pretty high for a trading company which just imports products, rebrands it, and sells it. At least this is a profitable company, unlike Zomato, which has gone public, Policy Bazaar, which has gone public, or Voyo, which is attempting to go public. This company is being valued between 1.5 to $2 billion. This means this company is expecting a valuation between 10,000 to 15,000 crores. The turnover of this company is 1,500 crores. Therefore, this company is approximately looking at 6 to 7 times multiples of sales. So, if this company is now looking at highly unrealistic valuations, if it is looking at 6 times sales, then it is valuing the company will be fairly valued only when the company does a turnover of 9,000 crores and its profits is about 400 crores. This is not going to happen in the next 5 years because the Indian electronics market will not grow at such a breakneck pace. And I doubt whether this company can capture so much market share because the really premium segment which this market wants to target will go to Apple or Sony and will not buy both. So the company will have to sacrifice margins further if this company wants to grow further. This company was started by Aman Gupta and Sudhir Mehta. They still own 56% of the company. Warburg Pincus, an investment manager, owns 36% of the company. So between them, these three guys own 92% of the company. The company expects to raise 2000 crores. Out of 2000 crores, the company is going to retain 1000 crores for itself as a new fresh equity, and this money will be used for working capital and other expansions. The balance 1000 crores is nothing but offer of sales from the promoters. And of these three people, it is rumored that Warburg Pincus wants to get out with a valuation of 800 crores by disinvesting about 7 to 8% of its investment. And it is clear that both the promoters want to rake in 150 crores each. With this, Warburg Pincus would have recovered all the initial investment it made in the company and booked a profit. What stock is left for Warburg Pincus is completely profits. The two promoters of this company who initially started this company will have a huge payout of 150 crores each, which they have not invested in this company. The idea of going public at this time is not primarily to gain working capital to fund expansion. The idea is to find out what is the value of the company and list it at a high price, and for the owner and the principal investor to take out money. The market conditions have become so nice that any issue that is put is subscribed several times, and people are willing to bet on an initial investing pop. What I mean is, everybody wants to get into an IPO and gamble that the market will rise higher. In fact, the grower, the founder of Bharat Pay PE, and his wife Jane were caught in a fracas with Kotak Mahindra Bank employees, in which they claimed that Kotak Mahindra Bank promised them IPO funding for 1,000 crores each, provided these two put in 250 crores of their own money for Nika IPO. And they also said that they will get an assured placement, because the higher you bid, the more certain you are of a placement. It looks like Kotak backed out of doing financing for Nika at the last moment, and the client was left high and dry. There was a very abusive phone conversation between Grover and his wife on one side and Kotak employees on the other. SEBI has decided now to investigate the matter and find out if Kotak Wealth promised they would ensure allotment in Nika. We will have to wait for the outcome to decide what is the real picture. But the issue is very clear that ultra high net worth individuals, with help of banks and NBFCs, are gaming the situation. Nobody is really interested in the future of a company or investing for a long term. What is happening in IPO is the promoters would have tied up with set of banks which will agree to do IPO financing. Basically, the issue is subscribed several times. Once, when a retail investor reads that an issue has been subscribed several hundred times, then an artificial shortage in the market is created. On the opening of the stocks, there is a big upward increase. This is exactly what happened in Zoho and Nika. But as the mood of the market turns and the market becomes bearish, it will be extremely difficult for any company to pull off such a stunt, because people would not be willing to part with their hard earned money, especially with a series of high fly non profit making company coming fat in the stock market and prices correcting more than 50%. It is very difficult for an IPO to go through. Whether you should invest in subscribe to both or not is your personal decision. But in my humble opinion, 9 times sales is too much to pay for any company. Thank you for watching. Be rich. It's a great privilege and honor that so many of you in thousands have subscribed to my channel and have supported me. I have written 2 books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification.
For hot financial news reviews and economical updates, watch Be Rich. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.